All right, guys, don't rag on me too much. First YouTube video, figured I'd start doing some stuff, but yeah, just picked up a 2022 KX450SR. Thing is pretty bitchin', I gotta admit. They did an awesome job with this thing. I'm sure you guys have seen videos and everything of it, but anyways, this is one I picked up. I'm gonna be doing some stuff to it. I've had a couple of the 21s already, raced pretty prevalently around the area, so got some decent experience on the this generation Cowie frame and all that good jazz. So I'll be trying it out, but yeah, you guys can see comes with the X-Trig triple clamps, as I'm sure you guys have seen. I think it's pretty trick. I owned the 2019 and 2020 CRF Works editions, or I guess they're WEs, but switched up to Cowie, just kind of bigger dude. Wasn't a big fan of it, but just want to make this video real quick and short, not to drag it on, but I'm sure you guys have seen plenty of videos. But anyways, got some projects for these, got some wheels coming in. Maybe I have a little surprise for the suspension. And everybody likes to talk some shit about it's not a kit, it's not a kit. Well, maybe we'll see what actual A kit on this actually does. So we'll see. Again, first video of many. Hopefully you guys check it out here soon. Thanks.